Houzz Pro offers Featured Review, a premium branding feature that calls attention to your strongest client testimonial. Reviews are incredibly important to homeowners, especially when they're evaluating pros to contact and hire. In fact, 90% of consumers read online reviews before contacting a business. And reviews are the #1 reason homeowners on Houzz hire a professional. By default, reviews appear in chronological order, with recent reviews appearing first. With Featured Review, you can choose to elevate your favorite review, regardless of when it was written. Featured Review makes sure that your most compelling customer testimonial is always center stage. So, how do you get a featured review? Log into your Houzz account and navigate to your reviews. Scroll to the review you'd like to feature, and then click on Feature this review. Here's the Featured Review editor. Select the text you'd like to feature, then click Save. Then you're done. You can feature a review on your profile and your directory listing in less than a minute.